domestic steel industry is a great place to work. It's a lot more fun and a lot more dynamic than a lot of people might realize.
There are great opportunities in manufacturing.
If you're looking for a good career and you're looking to advance and you want to grow with a company, this is a good place to go.
I don't think when people walk in the door necessarily at this day and age that people are like, I'm going to work here for 30 years. But I think very quickly once they join our team here, that is the mindset that people take on.
You know, if you get very good in your role, what can you do next? What more can you take on?
Manufacturing encompasses all different areas, from finance, sales, production planning, supply chain.
Anybody that speaks up and says, I think I'd really like to kind of see what that's about. Let's do it. Let's find a way to make it work.
I think that you gain your most knowledge by actually seeing what is occurring as you're working out there on the shop floor, and then move yourself up, take classes.
Zekelman offers continuing education opportunities,
which enabled me to get my associate's degree, then my bachelor's degree, and then most recently my master's degree. I started off as an entry-level line operator, and I've been able to go into several different roles until I've got into my current role as a production foreman.
Zekelman paid for me to get my MBA. That was a big deal, to be able to get my MBA while I'm working here and have the company support me while I'm doing that.
There's no limit to what you can do if you take a job or a career in manufacturing. And as you grow and learn, then the opportunity for advancement is there, where you will be given the opportunity to grow and learn again. The best part about working here is that your growth is limitless.
And then the people that I work with, day to day here at Zekelman and Wheatland are just great people, and that definitely keeps me coming back.
I think a lot of people think that when they hear manufacturing, they think of kind of the more old school back-breaking manufacturing, general labor work, and manufacturing is so much more than that these days.